Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Open the right display panel hinge. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Release the power connector from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power connector cable.